Since 1961, Joseph K. Jewelers has been producing the highest quality jewelry in Oregon. We specialize in custom design. We build jewelry to anybody's specs, anybody's requirements. The D4K has given us the ability to create faster and cleaner, higher resolution pieces and has cut down our manufacturing time significantly. It gives us the ability to have the exact same dimensions, front to back, left to right, top to bottom. Everything that we need to be symmetrical can and will be. It burns out like wax and has a very high resolution. We've been using EnvisionTEC exclusively since 2013. I have one of the original EnvisionTEC Micros, machine number 3, and all of the product we produce is made with the EnvisionTEC 3D printers. The amazing thing about EnvisionTEC is it's always evolving into a higher resolution product that will last and will set us up to be able to be successful for over the next several years.